Hi, my name is Sherman, and I punch people in the face for a living. Well, I used to. I thought I was going to get rich from it too. But it turns out 32-year-old over-the-hill boxers don't make millions like Floyd Mayweather. See, ever since I was 21, my dream was to work my way up the ranks and get a chance to fight professionally, for the big bucks. But like most amateur boxers, I struggled just to get by for most of my career. Let me tell you, I used to work hard every day, training for hours in the gym, then going to work as a waiter for 8 hours. Yet, no matter how hard I worked, I was always living paycheck to paycheck. I didn't need to be filthy rich. I just wanted to have enough money to focus on my boxing and training without having to put in 8 hours waiting tables just to make ends meet. But everything changed one day while I was training in the gym. I was forced to retire, and my dreams of making it big in the ring disappeared for good. I remember it like it was yesterday. I was in the gym, sparring and trying to get in shape for an amateur fight I had coming up. While boxers like Floyd Mayweather and Manny Pacquiao make millions per fight, my next fight, I was going to make $500. I needed the money. But that last day in the gym, I got beat up so bad by a 19-year-old kid who decided he didn't want to go light in sparring. Instead, he was going to make a name for himself and an example of me. The 19-year-old started going at me full speed, as if he were in a real fight. Not waiting to be outdone, I started turning it on too. I wasn't about to let this young kid make a fool of me. But about 5 minutes into our sparring session, I caught a left hook from this kid that knocked me out cold. I barely remember laying there, flat on my back in the ring. The knockdown wasn't what hurt so much. It was when this young kid stood over me and said, "Go back to waiting tables, old man. You're never going to make it in this ring." I knew right at this moment that he was right. I was tired of getting beat up every day just to make $500 for amateur fights. I left the gym and went home, feeling defeated in more ways than one. While recovering at home, my friend Travis came over. He used to be a pretty good boxer himself a few years ago, but he got out of boxing because of how little money he made. He still heard a lot of the gossip that went around, and I guess word got out that I got flattened by a young kid, and it looked like he'd made the right choice by getting out of boxing, because he pulled up into my driveway in a shiny new 7 Series BMW. The last I knew, he'd gotten a job as a trader on Wall Street. Well, since I was done getting my face punched in for money, I decided to ask him if his broker had any job openings. I was surprised when he told me he didn't work on Wall Street anymore. He said he found a way to make a ton of money at home, and it was 10 times easier than working for a broker. So he quit his Wall Street job, and now he does this full-time from home. He told me it was the easiest thing he ever made money on in his life. As Travis was telling me what he was doing to make money, it all went right over my head. He could tell I had no idea what he was talking about. So he actually logged into his trading account from my computer. There, sitting in his account, was over $250,590. I couldn't believe it. That was more money in one place than I had ever seen. Travis took the time to show me exactly what he did. To be honest with you, it seems so easy. Hey, I'm a boxer, so I'm not ashamed to admit I'm not the brightest guy. But as he was showing me what he was doing to make money, I thought to myself that I could do it. The best part was, Travis said, he started making money the first day. Better yet, he said, "Sherman, I want to help you, man. Why don't you just go to the same seminar I went to so you can learn this? Then you and I can partner up and have a ton of fun doing this." I couldn't really argue with him. My face was still swollen from the beating I took, while Travis had on a $600 suit when he stepped out of his BMW. He told me how he had paid $2,000 to attend a trading seminar in Singapore, but said it was worth every penny because he learned a strategy that changed his life. After he learned it, he went from making $3,000 a month to $5,000 a month to $10,000 a month. Travis says he's pulling in $30,000 a month and working just a few hours a day. It was at this moment I decided, right then and there, that I was done with getting hit in the face for a living, that I would turn my life around. It was time to put away my boxing gloves and focus on learning this strategy that Travis had mastered to make a lot of money. Travis said he'd pay for my ticket to the same seminar he went to in order to learn this amazing strategy. You can just pay me back the $2,000 for the seminar when you make your first big paycheck, which won't take long if you do what the system shows you. Because it all sounded like perfect timing, I decided to take him up on his offer and go to the same seminar. I found out the seminar taught some pretty secret and powerful strategies for trading something known as binary options. Well, it didn't take me long before I learned it was the fastest and easiest way to make money online I had ever tried. Within the first week back from the seminar, I worked with Travis on using the same strategy we both learned from this underground seminar. I went from making $0 per day to making $100 a day. Then, after working with Travis a bit more, fine-tuning the strategy, I went from making $200 a day to making $300 a day by the end of the second week. Within a month of trading binary options, I had $31,877 sitting in my account. Here's a screenshot of my broker's account using binary options. Within 3 months, I was able to quit my job waiting tables and now work from home, making anywhere from $1,035 to $1,300 per day, working less than an hour a day. Since that time, I no longer have to worry about getting beat up and clobbered in the gym during sparring just to make $500 per fight and pay rent. Now, I make $500 in about an hour. While sitting on my chair sipping a glass of wine, I live in my dream home and I take vacations 4 times a year, all of it paid with cash. I've paid off all my debt, I have 2 cars paid for, and I'm finally free from money worries. I get up when I want, stroll from my bedroom to my kitchen table, I work for 30 minutes each day, and then I'm free to spend the rest of my day doing what I want. Yet, I still make $1,035 to $1,300 or more each day. I made $31,877 last month, and just about every month, give or take a few $100 here and there. And believe me, if I can turn $500 into $31,877 in a month, there's no reason you can't. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, this sounds a little too good to be true. But I want to be honest with you. I have nothing here to sell you. That's right, there's nothing here to buy today. So just watch this video and learn how I found out about this exciting new income earner. What would you do with an extra $31,877 sitting in your bank account next month? Maybe you'd pay some bills, buy your dream car, make some home improvements, or save it for retirement. Maybe you take a trip somewhere tropical, work for an hour while sitting in a hammock by the ocean, sipping your favorite beverage. No longer working a job you can't stand, no longer working for a boss who makes you miserable. With binary options trading, you can literally work anywhere you want. All you need is a computer and the internet. It's pretty easy to start off making $300 a day by trading small, regular amounts. I'll show you how I did it, just like Travis did for me. Now, $300 per day may not sound like much, but it's $6,000 a month, or $72,000 per year. That's more than a lot of people make a year. Would making $6,000 a month help you? I'm sure having this much extra money would help ease some worry about bills and other financial obligations. Let's say you earn $300 a day and reinvest the profits. Let's say you double your trading profits each month for 6 months. You'd have $378,000 in just 6 months. Trading binary options is not expensive to get started, and you don't need experience. The strategy I give you will help you profit the most. You see, when you trade binary options, you simply choose an asset like a stock, like Google, commodities like gold, or currencies like dollars. Then, you choose the direction you think it will move, either up or down. You enter the amount you want to invest, and at the end of the time frame, you can make 85% to 87% on each winning trade. But unlike investing in stocks, you only need to guess whether it will move up or down. It's so simple. Even someone with zero experience can earn $300 to $500 a day to start. Again, that's because making money comes down to two choices. Will an asset go up or down? Sounds pretty easy, right? Just choosing up or down. That's why this is the fastest and easiest way to make money online in your spare time from home. By placing bets on whether an asset will go up or down, you can trade your way to a full-time income from home. Armed with the strategy Travis and I learned, which I can show you for free, the sky is the limit. This is the same strategy Travis and I use to make $1,035 per day and $31,877 a month. And it takes less than an hour of work a day. You place the trade, wait a few minutes and walk away with cold hard cash, and then repeat the process again and again, all from home. The best part, even if you have no experience trading binary options, all you need is our strategy and how to push a button for up or down. With that, you can make 75% to 85% returns each and every hour, even in as little as 15 minutes. That's how simple it is. For example, let's say after you join our team and learn our strategy, you decide to trade gold. So, you go into your broker account, go to the asset column and choose gold from the drop-down menu. Then, go to the amount column and enter in the amount you want to trade. In this case, will the price of gold be above $1,334 at 2:30 p.m.? If you think yes, you hit the call button if you think the asset will rise and close above $1,334.84, or put if you think the price will fall and close below that. If you guess right, you can earn 75% to 85% return. As you can see, there's absolutely nothing complicated about it. Imagine how much money you can make when you're doing this 10 or even 20 times every trading day. And that's where our breakthrough trading strategy comes in. As you watch this video until the end, you'll see how to get the same breakthrough strategy Travis and I have used to enjoy an avalanche of profits from home trading binary options. Now, I can't guarantee you'll become a millionaire using this, but I can say for sure it's the easiest way to make 85% to 87% returns. Even though binary options is one of the easiest way to make money, following our secret strategy we learned in Singapore can greatly increase your chances of making money. This is a strategy used by traders because it's accurate and effective. It's the real deal. Knowing I was done with getting my head punched in, I am so glad Travis shared what he was doing to make money. It literally changed my life and my health, and especially my finances. The strategy that Travis learned at the seminar in Singapore, and the same one he shared with me, helped increase my trading profits I made from the markets each trading day. Because we were doing so well, Travis and I decided to teach each other how to do what we were doing. That's right, we started building our own team of traders to work together and help each other use the strategy to produce more profits. Let me say, Travis and I are working hard to make this proven strategy pull in even more profit, and while we're doing that, we're opening the doors to let a few more people in on the ground floor. Sure, this strategy is currently pulling in daily profits of $2,050, $3,516, and $5,980, and weekly profits of $18,685, $12,457, and $12,335. It's amazing, because we've been able to improve this trading strategy even more, to the point that it's consistently delivering a range of 87% to 100% accuracy. How much money could you make if you had a trading strategy that gave you 87% plus accuracy? But we both feel we can do better, that this is simply the tip of the iceberg. Heck, after testing and tweaking just one small part of the trading strategy, we tripled our profit overnight. That's right. Even though this trading strategy is already generating profits consistently, safely, and reliably, it's just getting started. Trust me, with a strategy like this at your disposal, picking winning trades has never been easier or more profitable. In fact, how does $10,417 in 12 hours sound? Well, that's what I made last week, in a vacation-shortened week. Even the newest members of our team who have just started using our strategy have started making $3,000 to $4,000 per month right away. If they stick with it, they can enjoy the $30,000 months Travis and I pull in like clockwork. And best of all, it's so easy, a fifth grader could follow it and use it to make a lot of money. In fact, since learning and using it myself, I've made $29,400 to $31,030 per month consistently. And in a minute, I'm going to give you the same plan I use to make $30,000 per month. The really cool thing about this is, if you've ever tried to find ways to make money online, what I'm about to show you can help you make more in a day than most people make in a month. And like I said, I'm going to give you what you need to start making money right away. That's right. After I explain how to use this money-making strategy, I'll show you how to sign up for free so you can start today. Look, anyone who says you can make millions of dollars in a very short time, they're lying to you because they want you to buy their software. That's why it's important that you know I'm not trying to sell you any kind of software to buy here. I'm giving you this information because I know what it's like to struggle financially. I know what it's like to go to a gym and train for 8 hours, getting pummeled, and then go to a job for 8 hours and get beat up in a different way. Believe me, that's no way for anyone to live. I want to pay it forward and help others like Travis helped me. I want to show you just how easy it is for regular people to make money without falling for some scam trading software. I mean, how much stress and worry could you get rid of if you could make $535 or so in profit each and every day from the comfort of home? Let's say you make $535 per day and you work 5 days a week. So, $535 per day, 5 days a week is $3,500 per week. That's not a bad week. That's $10,700 per month and $128,400 per year. That's not a bad year. That's a very comfortable living from the comfort of home in part-time hours. And the thing is, a lot of our readers have been making even more than that right away. And you can get started today, absolutely for free, using our strategy we'll give you. I started right where you are, making a few $100 here and there. Now I'm raking in $30,000 a month, and that's why I'm here right now, to hand you the strategy I use. I'm here to tell you that trading binary options is a simple and proven way to make $535 or more a day in your spare time right from the comfort of your home. You don't have to be a financial wizard or a mathematical genius. Every day feels like a Saturday for you. You'll be done work and enjoying the rest of your day while others are still slaving away at their job. If you want a day off, you take it. When you have a way to make money that's this simple, you can't help but feel happy about your future. You're in full control of your income and financial goals. There's no easier and simpler way to earn a great income and enjoy the free time you want. So, the next question is, are you ready to join Binary Nation Team? This is our team of successful binary traders managed by Travis and me. When you join our exclusive Binary Nation team, you'll learn the same trading strategy Travis and I both paid $2,000 to learn at the seminar in Singapore. But you'll learn this amazing strategy for free. Believe me, This isn't some scam or hyped up binary software that's everywhere for free right now. Seriously, you can't even go online without seeing free software being hacked. See, 99% of all traders lose money because they let these supposed binary option software help them. But it turns out to bite them in the butt. Trading is a human experience. It's people buying and selling on a mass scale. But it still comes down to people. So, this strategy allows us to use our trading experience and gut feelings to make sure our trades are the highest profit choices. Believe me, joining a group of real people will generate a much higher winning percentage and ROI than relying on gimmick software. Software doesn't possess gut-level human trading instinct. Traders developed gut instinct over years of market experience. In my opinion, trading success depends on using experience and that gut-level feeling that only a human trader can offer. And the human mind is a far superior tool when it's relying on experience and intuition. These scam software programs don't have the ability of the human mind to act on tuition and gut feeling. But now, our team uses trader instinct to make sure the trade is top-notch. Unlike a free piece of worthless software that's outdated and obsolete next month, we'll give you a real strategy that we paid $2,000 to learn. We don't want you depending on a piece of crappy software that gives false indicators and causes you to lose money. Most binary launchers are giving away a free software that does nothing but give false indications on when to buy and sell. But with our strategy, you get a real advantage that earns more profits anytime you trade binary options, even if you've never traded before. You see, this strategy could guarantee your chance to profit day in and day out. Again, automated trading software often misses the easy trading opportunities in the market. This is where instinct and a human sixth sense can choose better, more profitable trades. When you join our team, you're getting the strategy, experience, and intuition of real traders. Over the last year, our team has perfected this trading strategy that allows you to profit almost immediately over and over. In fact, you'll never find a more effective way to pile up thousands of dollars in binary option profits. All you have to do is join our team. Our strategy is so dead on, it lets you win more than 85% of your trades and profit up to 87% each time. By getting in now, you'll be joining an elite group of traders who are enjoying breathtaking profits. In fact, those who've already joined have called it the most powerful trading strategy ever developed. Either way, it can help take your profits to the next level and improve your chances of making 87% or more every trade. Imagine turning $500 into $3,523, $4,732 into $15,035, or $10,000 into $34,785 on a regular basis. In no time, you could be driving a new car paid for with cash. You can take the vacation you've always dreamed of. You can stop worrying about bills or your kids' educations. Again, my team and I use our years of experience and gut-level feelings to make sure we pick the highest profit, lowest risk trades. Our team uses years of trading experience and gut feelings to pick the best, making this the highest probability of you profiting. This powerful strategy has been picking winning combinations 87% of the time in 2014 and the first quarter of 2015. That's a phenomenal track record. Right now, my team and I are making money hand over fist with the most profitable trading strategy on earth. The thing is, we're releasing it on a wider scale, and we want to offer you a consistent strategy that works, one that would maximize your profits daily. We refuse to peddle some scam software that's not only built upon faulty indicators that get more than 80% of the trades wrong. Those things are outdated and obsolete in months. But a real trading strategy that's based on the fundamentals of trading, that won't ever change. It will never be obsolete. As you'll soon see, having this same strategy working for you is what I believe makes this such an amazing opportunity. Using our proven strategy, we can tell you with a very high degree of accuracy which trades will make big profit. And the fast profits that it can generate are remarkable. The astounding accuracy of it is like having a crystal ball glimpse into future profits. And while our recent hot streak is incredible, it's only the beginning. So, don't worry if you missed out on the profits up to this point. It doesn't matter. You see, we're just getting warmed up. The really big money is coming soon. This can be your ticket to riches beyond your wildest dreams. Now, I'm not talking about doing anything illegal. This strategy is proven to work, it's 100% legal, and hardly any traders know it and use it. But I won't sugarcoat it for you. This will give you a rare advantage. In fact, if you follow our strategy, you're going to get big profits. In the past year, we've enjoyed a winning percentage of 87%. I'm not saying we never get trades wrong. After all, we are human. And that always opens the door to human error and mistakes. This is trading, and no one can claim with absolute certainty every trade they recommend will work out. But you can rest assured, when you start getting your trading recommendations from us, you're going to be riding high, smiling all the way to the bank. So, is this right for you? Well, why not find out for yourself right now for free? I've arranged for you to get the trading strategy for free so you can see that it works. This is your chance to try it out, take the profits, and see how it feels to make big money. But we do want to know that you're serious about trading. So, to do that, we ask you to make a small deposit into your trading account. Do that and you'll get the trading strategy for free. Now, this is your money and goes into your trading account, so it's yours, not ours. Once you do that, we'll give you the strategy when you join our team. That deposit just shows us you're truly serious and ready to work with our team to make money. If you're okay with it, welcome aboard. But if you're uneasy, this isn't for you. By the way, if you're not comfortable keeping the profits you accumulate using our strategy, you can always donate the money to charity. But don't think about this too long. We won't put the profit opportunities of our existing clients in jeopardy by diluting the power of this and accepting too many members. Sure, we'd love to be able to accept everyone, but we just can't. So, we've made a decision to put a strict limit on the number of people we can let join the team. We refuse to dilute the power of this strategy by letting too many people in. So, one way to weed out those who are not serious is to only give the strategy to those who've signed up and deposited a small amount into their trading account. If you want to get your hands on this powerful strategy, you'll want to do it right now. Again, this beats the pants off any software because our team adds the human element that only the thinking, logical, human brain can provide. We look deep into all potential trades that software can't do, and then use our minds, intuition, and years of experience to pick the best. Over the last year, this strategy has hit a new level of accuracy that's raised eyebrows everywhere. But despite producing an avalanche of profits in the last few months, it's just getting started. So don't worry if you missed out on the trades we've done, because the past year we made some little tweaks to this amazing trading strategy. It worked so well. That means the biggest profits are coming soon. So here's the good news. Get in now, and you could be on the ground floor of life-changing profits and returns. In fact, the sky's the limit for you. There's really no telling how much money this could make you. I'm not promising 100% gains like those crappy software programs claim. As I said before, our accuracy rate for the last few months is over 87%. But remember, you must be comfortable making a small deposit just to get started trading. This shows me and my team you're serious. Are you comfortable with that? If not, don't sign up. Let someone else take your spot. Yes, you'll miss out on some tremendous profits, but you won't be wasting our time or yours. Now, I have a feeling this is for you. The fact that you're still watching this right now tells me you want to ensure your financial security for you and your family. With this, you'll guarantee your opportunity to lock in massive profits immediately. All you have to do is follow the plan and hold your profits to the bank. And for a very short time, for a limited number of traders, you can get in free. As I mentioned before, we must limit new enrollment to a handful of spots. And like I said, you only have to make an initial deposit into your trading account, so we know you're serious. We're not going to let anyone join our team and steal our strategy we paid $2,000 for. We're weeding out those who are not serious by demanding all new members of our team make their trading deposits so they can start trading right away. It's your money to trade with. You can join our team and get the strategy for free. So, if you think this could be right for you, I urge you to take action and secure your spot. Again, we're letting a select few have it for free just to test it and prove it works. There's literally almost nothing to do other than make a small deposit in your trading account. That's the beauty of this. We make it easy and foolproof to trade and profit. With a recent track record of a winning percentage of over 87%, there's really no reason not to try it. Since its release, the same strategy has made me, Travis, and a lot of traders wealthy. Are you next? Why not sign up and find out? Look, everyone is using the same software and 99% of people end up losing their entire deposit. Don't fall into that trap. The strategy I learned is based on what I learned from going to the same seminar my mentor Travis went to, picking the minds of hundreds of successful binary traders, and the actual strategy we use daily. Software can't do this, and you get this full strategy 100% for free. We're willing to help traders to become more profitable, but we're not going to reveal this strategy to everyone. In order to get it for free, just make a small deposit of $250 in order to get started. Then, this strategy is yours, and you're part of our team. Like I said, our goal is to build an army of traders that are all making tens of thousands of dollars a month. In order to prove you're serious about using this strategy and making serious cash, you have to make a small deposit into a 100% trusted brokerage. And I keep hearing more and more amazing success stories from those who've used our strategy. The first time I used it, I made $380 in about 12 minutes. Then I pulled in $546 in 15 minutes. Just last week, it produced weekly profits of $5,480, $6,590, and $12,323. I've made over $216,800.39 in the past 2 years. $31,877 came in within the first month. James P. turned a $500 investment into $36,800. Randy L. turned $500 into $42,450, and Maggie turned $500 into $54,399. Jenny L. averages $325 per day, sometimes more or less, and it takes her about an hour a day, if that. Here's a screenshot of her account. What other investment offers you an opportunity to make $325 for an hour of work a day? Well, when you join our team and use our strategy, you have all the skills needed to make $325 an hour like Jennifer is able to do. Look, when you're making $300 to $500 a day, you don't worry about money as much as you do if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Personally, I've had days in which I made $4,488, weeks I've made $22,010, and months I've pulled down $31,877, and that's in 1 month. Many of our members are making anywhere from $250, $375, and $545 a day. And they're doing it over and over and over again, every day. That's why I'd love you to join us, so you can make enough money to live a comfortable life and provide the kind of future you want for your family. Want to start working on that remodel of the bathroom or install the swimming pool the family wants? You can use it to work towards your dream home, that new car, take that dream vacation or ocean cruise, and do everything you've always wanted to do. Go ahead and join me in generating massive profits at will. Remember, you get the $2,000 strategy for free. Just deposit $250 to join our team so we know you're serious. You have to prove to us you're a serious trader to be a part of our team and get the strategy for free. Sure, when we first put the strategy together, we wanted to try and recoup our $2,000 seminar investment. But then we figured that would probably defeat the purpose of helping more people get out of the financial hole they're in. So, even though initially we were going to offer spots on our team for the $2,000 it costs us to learn the strategy, instead, we're going to give it away for free, but limit the number of users who can have access to this strategy. We didn't want a piece of software to be the reason you weren't able to make money trading binary options more successfully and profitably. That's why we decided to give you access to this strategy for free when you join our team and make your first deposit in your trading account. You simply join our team, fund your account at least $250, $500 to $1,000 gets you bigger returns, and you're on your way to making $30,000 a month like Travis and I are. Grab now, because like I mentioned earlier, in order to preserve profits for our current members, we're limiting enrollment. It's first come, first served. If you want in on this daily profit machine, grab this now and start trading and making $375 to $545 each and every day. And do it over and over until your bank account is where you want it. And while the profits we've made are incredible, we've fine-tuned the system to increase the profit potential. So don't worry if you missed out on early profits. The big money is coming, and we'd love you to get some of it. If you're uneasy with pulling in weekly profits of $5,590 to $7,499, you can change your mind later. At least you'll know you tried. And the best part is, you don't need much money to start. Just imagine what it's like to have $5,590 to $7,499 to use each week. $2,907 in 6 hours. $3,050 in less than 20 minutes. $10,417 in 10 hours. And $3,772 in 25 minutes. Again, you can grab this for free when you join our team. Sounds pretty fair, right? So, please, don't miss out. Take advantage while the opportunity is in front of you. This is about as safe, reliable, and foolproof as it gets. So if you're ready to use the same strategy that helps me bank monthly profits of $30,377 with almost no risk, grab it below. Best part? I can guarantee that if you sign up now, you could make your first $1,000 within your first week of trading. Like I said, most members are making 5 figures a month on average, and these are new members. A deposit of $250 can potentially make you back $1,035 per day, which is over $31,877 in profit, like I make. A deposit of $1,000 can potentially make you back $2,000 to $4,000 per day, which is between $60,000 to $120,000 per month in profit. Of course, the more you deposit and trade with, the bigger your gains and returns. That's why the minimum is $250, but most big gains that traders make happen with depositing more, so the returns are bigger and add up faster. But keep in mind you can start small and build your way up. So if you want in, take action now before these 50 spots to join Binary Nation team are gone. Once they've been taken, I'll close down the offer. Since Travis and I will be personally managing those who join our team, we want to offer the best support to a small number of traders instead of having hundreds we can't support daily. I'm giving away the same binary option strategy that took me from being a broke, washed-up boxer to making over $30,000 a month working part-time from home. You can decide how much you want to make, whether it's $1,000 to $2,000 per day or $40,000 to $80,000 per day. It's all up to your deposit and how big you want to make it. Remember, this strategy is free for the first 50 people. Once the spots are taken, that's it. Every member on our team makes an average of $1,000 in profit their first 24 hours after joining our team. If you're ready to take the next step and join our team, then enter your name and primary email below this video and hit the I want to join the Binary Nation team button, and we'll give you further details on how to get started. Once you sign up, you get all the advice you need to start trading and making $1,000 or more the first week you open your account. Even with zero experience, you can start with a small investment and make $200 to $300 or more, generating up to 75% to 85% on every trade. Thanks for watching this video to the end, and we'll see you inside where you'll be handed the same strategy Travis and I paid $2,000 for, the same one we used to make $30,000 a month. You get it for free, but only if you act now. So go ahead and sign up now and deposit your initial funds so you can start trading. When you do, you're working for yourself and building your own financial future. You're not working to make someone else rich. It's time you build your future financial security and a life you've always wanted. Listen, if you're tired of making enough money to barely make ends meet, if you're tired of your financial situation or your job situation, you need to do something different. By learning our strategy and using binary options, you can get past your financial situation and you can earn the kind of money you want. So if you're serious about changing your future and your family's future, sign up right now. Join our team, learn our strategy, deposit money, and start trading. There's no reason why you can't make money the first day you use this. Just follow the simple instructions and, by the end of the first day, you can have your first profit. If you're ready to start pocketing profits of $300, $500 a day, or more each and every day, take the time to sign up below. You can literally steal the exact system Travis and I use to make $30,000 per month online from home in our spare time. Trust me, I've made it as easy as possible to get started making money by handing you the same system I use each day to make $1,035. Again, there's nothing to buy from me. Whether you're tired of your 9-to-5 job, you're not making the money you want, or you just want to supplement your income with a financial cushion, Binary Options is the fastest and easiest way to achieve your dreams of working from home while enjoying a full-time income. Take this proven strategy that pulls in profits of $1,035 every day. That's over $31,000 this month, next month, and every month for as long as you want. Better yet, it takes very little cash to start and very little time. So register for your free account and you'll be on your way to monthly profits of $30,000 like Travis and I enjoy. To join our team, insert your name and email and click Give It To Me for Free now.